Welcome to session. Today we discuss about the customer support internal layers and external layers. Okay, so customer support. So customer support, that means customer service is the support you offer your customer both before and after they buy and use your product or services. That helps them have an easy and enjoyable experience with you. Offering amazing customer service is important, so if you want to retain customers and grow your business, the first one is the best customer service builds trust. The second one is the customer service matters more than price, and third one is it will build brand awareness, and fourth one is good customer service reduce problems, and fifth one is it applies to the customers. Okay, so customer support, they have three types. One is reactive support, and second one is the proactive support, and third one is the self support. So reactive support, uh, this is what people typically think of when someone says customer support. If a customer sends an email, shares a problem over a chat with your technical support, tags your company to tweet their concern, or calls into a hotline, and you have customer support representative to address the issues, it termed as reactive support. It means that your team reacting to a customer issue rather than proactively trying to solve it. Okay, for example, if a customer is looking for assistance in accounting management, so they could use a proactive tool or knowledge base and get the answer instantly, or they could wait and receive a reactive response from your support team telling them the step to take. The next one is the proactive support. So proactive support, common customer support inquiries. That means before the customer even realize that they need support for the same. Service agents can be leverage automation to attend to the critical needs of a customer at the earliest. This can be achieved by using automated emails that trigger at different points in the customer life cycle, such as resource purchase within a website or user onboarding manually, or how to guide with the service offered or product details when your customer first signs up for purchase. So, example, the proactive support was the number of inquiries that the customer support team receives and reduce the resolution time for customer queries. That means pay attention to the tens of people reaching out in your inbox. What do they reach out about? What they have to trouble with? Okay, there is an people have about your product. It generally occurs around 3-month usages. Mark, you may want to trigger an automated email or notification or an application message right before the mark. You get them answer before the question rise. So next one is the self support. So self-support is a probably that means termed as self-service. It refers to any scenario where a customer is able to find information or solve issue their own without reaching out of your support team. Example, if you have a documentation for your product or service, you can host webinars, write books, or have resource libraries available online which can be available directly by the customers without the involvement of the customer service team. Okay, so next one is customer support versus customer service. Means the customer support, that means offer a resolution of the query raised by the customer. Responsibility of a customer support get including understanding and troubleshooting the problems. So customer service for that means representative and responsible for serving the customer at every point of the customer life cycle. Okay, so the first, that means how to measure customer support means the first contact resolution, that means FCR. FCR refers to when a customer support agent is able to resolve the problem, that means a customer inquiry within the first response, that means the first contact resolution. The first time, that means the first response time means it take a customer support agent to respond to customer reach out. The valuable, that means important to the customer because it shows a customer support agent, that means I support the FRT. It may be too much deal with. Okay, so next one is the customer satisfaction. Okay, that means CSAT. is a customer feedback that measures the numerical indicator of the consumer satisfaction with your product and services and brand. It's important because it indicates whether customers are satisfied, happy, they feel interesting or dissatisfaction with your service or product. Okay, so these are the customer support. Next one we go for internal and external layer. So internal layer, that means internal is the external layer of customers. That means organization like employees, owners, representatives is the internal customers, and external customer is suppliers, customers, society, government, and creditor and shareholders. Okay, so next one is the what is the that means internal customer. So internal customer have a relationship within your company either through employment as a partner who deliver your product or service to the end user. So that means internal customers, that means it's significant stakeholders and shareholders are also internal customers. All of this may not purchase your product or services. And external means external customers are people they pay for use the product or services your company offers. When brainstorming problems and designing solutions, these customers who are designing for, to be clear, an external customers is a person who is not directly connected to the organization. Okay, the customer could be one-time purchase or a person who have worked in a long time. They provide customized option. External customers also known as the clients or accounts. The goal of external customers can be depend on your product or service. That means repeat purchasing, referrals, positive reviews, otherwise supporting for your company. Okay, so this is the internal and external customers. The comparing of internal and external customers, that means internal and external customers. The external customers have an inherent in business since people started making of selling products a long time. The idea of internal customers. However, the more modern one for the Six Sigma encloses, that means identifying internal customers as well as the creating more positive work environment. Okay, that means the positive environment including like kind of empathic leadership, fair and equity, pay and comfortable working and conditions and latest technology as soon as so on. So the thinking goes higher employee moral. The moral those employees work with integrity and productivity. Okay. So thanks for giving this opportunity. Thank you.